All right, episode 4. Here we go. Linking. So we've worked on the forward roll, we've worked on bumping, and we've worked on the reverse. All of those are single beats that are all caused from right here. Now, we're going to learn the back side of the bag, and we're going to start that by linking. Linking looks harder than what it is, so we're going to take these in slow bites, okay? So it's a through punch that you use the butt part of your hand to push through the bag. And when you do, your hand will dip a little bit, but make sure you push through and straight back. We're not fish hooking here. We're not hitting the ball and reaching down and trying to come back to it. Push straight through the bag and straight back. You'll hit it with you'll create kind of like if you want to talk with your hand, you'll kind of create a flat spot right here that you're going to hit it right in the belly of the bag. Okay, so through and back with one hand. We're not getting crazy complicated with anything. We're going to start with this: through and back. Okay, stop the ball. Through, back. It's a reverse. Through and reverse. Through, reverse. Stop the ball. Make sure your hand's at the right height. It should be about right at your mouth because we're going to pass right to it. Through and reverse. And then we're going to link it. Through, reverse, through, reverse. This happens in the elbow. If you feel like your whole shoulder and whole body's moving when you're doing linking, you're doing it wrong. This happens in the elbow. When you're doing linking, well, that looks dirty, right? It is purely in the elbow. As you get better, you'll learn when you can use your arms for some stuff, but right now, the mechanics, elbows up, straight through, straight back. No fish hooks, okay? And we're gonna learn to transition at first on the front side of the bag. Here we go. Through, reverse, 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 through, reverse. Notice I'm not hitting hard. Don't have to. Don't have to. We're learning the spot, the magic spot. Okay? Take your time. We have all the time in the world to get good because you want to be able to flow back and forth like this. Move around with your linking. Notice it's all in the elbow. I'm not fish hooking through the bag and back. Take your time, because what we get to do next is hook it all together. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Now you're drumming. And that's how we start linking. Okay? Good form. Good form. All the time. Good form. If you get lazy elbows, you're going to get lazy results. You'll wind up hitting the bag low. You don't want to hit the bag low on your reverses when you're linking. Make sure you're hitting it in the same sweet spot you do when you pass through it. Pass through the bag, reverse. Okay? So, now you got some more homework to work on. Linking.